Hi, I'm Tim Rusling, the Managing Consultant at Problem Engineering and Behavioural Science, the organisation behind Synthesis. The aim of this brief introductory video is to explain a bit about what Synthesis is, what we do, and how and why we do it. We're entirely focused on thinking efficiency and productivity, with a particular emphasis on innovation, problem solving, and creativity, which in this context is the ability to generate high volumes of great ideas and concepts. So in essence, we help individuals and teams or groups innovate better and faster, rapidly solve problems, even those of a highly technical and/or seemingly impossible nature, and generate high volumes of great ideas and concepts on demand and against a given focus. All of which can lead to staggering improvements in just about every aspect of an organisation and its performance. There's an obvious answer as to why the need. Of course it makes sense for more innovation. The world is crying out for it. Of course, faster and better solutions are desirable, as is the need for great ideas to flow from every corner of the business. All this contributes to progress, without which there wouldn't be much of a future. And when you consider that the quality of our ideas, our decisions, actions, the new products and services we develop, for example, are all wholly reliant on the quality of the thinking that precedes them, then of course, making improvements to thinking efficiency and productivity that leads to better and faster innovation, solutions and ideas has to make total sense. But why do so many of us struggle with this? This is a big question, and there are numerous barriers and suppressants that have the potential to restrict our ability and willingness to think efficiently and productively, especially when we're thinking in teams or groups. I'll be touching on these in a moment, and we'll be exploring the barriers and suppressants and how to overcome them in detail in one of our future videos. More on these later. The increasing demand for innovation, problem solving and creativity is reinforced by the World Economic Forum's Skills Outlook 2022 report. This illustrates the top 10 skills that will be in demand in the near future. Of these, nearly all of them are cerebral and include innovation, problem solving and creativity to some degree. Yet the development of these vital skills appears to be a neglected area, and for many organisations, a massive missed opportunity. The foundation of our success lies in three key areas: behaviours, tools and processes, and management. Looking at behaviours first, this vital aspect is all about the behavioural elements, including the barriers and suppressants to thinking efficiency and productivity. This largely concerns the internal behaviours, that's what goes on in our own minds, and the external behaviours, that's the behaviours we exhibit to one another. Now, some of these help and others hinder. The key here is to understand and establish the right constructive behaviours that make a positive contribution to thinking efficiency and productivity, and to eliminate those that hinder. The second element is the research, development and the application of robust and proven systematic thinking tools and processes that effectively enable innovation, the rapid identification and development of the best solutions to problems, and the on-demand generation of high volumes of great ideas and concepts to a given focus. The third area is management, and this is in two parts. Firstly, the management of the thinking itself, in other words, facilitation, and secondly, the management and leadership aspects that directly or indirectly impact on stimulating and encouraging innovation, problem solving and creativity at every level within the organisation. The strength of our approach is focusing on where these three areas overlap. By freeing up thinking and establishing and encouraging the right behaviours, and combining these with robust and proven thinking tools and processes, and ensuring that the management aspects are fully developed, extraordinary results can and will be achieved. This is what synthesis is, combining three elements to form a connected whole that is guaranteed to deliver. So what do? Well, there are three principal ways in which we work with clients. We deliver or facilitate workshops, we run training programs, and we provide consultancy services. We facilitate workshops where a client has a particular challenge or problem in mind, where they're looking for specific outcomes, and the nature of these can be wide and varied, from finding the solution to a seemingly impossible technical problem to finding ways to grow the business. Whatever the nature, our workshops deliver specific and agreed outcomes and are 100% guaranteed to do just that. Our training programs, on the other hand, are designed to develop the skills, confidence and motivation for individuals and teams to effectively innovate for themselves, to rapidly find solutions to problems, and to generate high volumes of great ideas and concepts on demand. Our training programs ensure that participants have the necessary skills to deliver ongoing value in all these areas. And finally, our consultancy services are geared towards providing clients with insights and recommendations around innovation, problem solving and creativity within their organisation, in particular with regards to the behaviours, tools and processes and the management and leadership aspects that make it happen. I set out to introduce synthesis and briefly describe what we're all about. I very much hope that I've achieved that and that it's been worth a few minutes of your time to take a look. We're currently producing a number of valuable videos that will provide further insights into what we do and explain in detail some of the tools and processes that we use and how and why they work. Just some of the topics are coming up on your screen now. These will be available through our website and on our YouTube channel. Details will come up in a moment. If you'd like notification of these, you can sign up through our website and we'll send you an email which will include a link as and when they're released. Now, if faster and better innovation, rapid and improved problem solving, and or the generation of high volumes of great ideas is something of interest to you or your organisation, do get in touch. We'd love to have a chat. Thanks for watching.